Hola amigos, hi internet. I know that there is many unboxings and many of these, but I thought to make one because I'm excited that I received my drawing tablet for XP Pen. I'm going to do an unboxing. This is the box, obviously. I'm excited because I always wanted to have like a tablet like this to draw and use with Photoshop, and after a little bit of research I decided to go for this. And medium size DECO Pro. To be honest, I don't know when it was released, but they got Good Design Award 2018 and Red Dot Award 2019 winner. And here we have, well, obviously this is the tablet, which is here is a wheel and the touchpad, programmable buttons. Then we have, I think this is the pen with the case. You got some rubber in here and in here. It's nice, it doesn't slip. This is the pen. They got rubber, clicks, the point, 8,000 and something point of pressure. You can put it in here, and over here you got the replacement nibs. And then box off, it comes with welcome card, warranty policy, quick guide, thank you for support, another quick guide, and a drawing glove, the drawing, and then the USB-C and USB regular, I don't know, to connect this to your phone because it works in Android as well. So let's put this over here, and then we have this box, probably cable. Yes, USB-C and USB guns. So a good size. The drawing side area is in this, and it's really smooth. and when I cannot wait to try this on the computer, and I will continue later with some test on the pressure and how it works.